Hello GameSalad users, this is Code Monkey from GameSalad's Game Team 1. For this video I'll be showing you the basic comic book template that we have on the marketplace. What you have here is two scenes. One of it is the actual comic, the other one is an assist tool that will allow you to set up your tables for the comic book. Let's take a look at the tables for a quick second. The comic, these are the pages defined. When you use the setup table, just set up the page image for this first column, and then the rest you'll get for the assist tool, which I'll show you in a few seconds. This next table is, you don't need to worry about this. And this other table is a reset. You don't need to worry about this either. This is all set up in the logic for the automatic data to show you. So let's go into template. Show you a little bigger screen of this. Raptor Storm, the comic book. It has a little swipe technique, so left and right. You can zoom in on a panel, which focuses on the panel and puts a black border around that panel. You can click on the left to go to the previous panel on the next page or a previous page, or you click on the right side. You can double click to get out of the panel mode. Again, swiping, you can't swipe past the last page. There would be zoom too, but this is a MacBook, so I don't have two touches to do a pinch zoom. Let's go to the setup tool. So when you have the setup tool, those pages on the first column, or the images on the first column, are set up. So what you have, you can switch between the pages in that table, and then you can have a move. You add a new panel, which you can move around, and then you have a resize, which you click on this resize tab. So you click on the edges, or you click on the actor, and it zooms out from the center, which you can resize, and then you move to position, and then you add a new one, and again you can change the size. It zooms out from the center, and then once you're ready for that, it gives you the data that you can put into the table for this, for each of the pages that it sets up. Let me zoom in a little bit closer so you can see that. It gives you the page number, the number of frames that you put into the scene, so it's 2 frames. This is the width, height, X and Y data for panel 1, then panel 2, and continuing forth. So if I zoom back out and click on one of these other things, say I didn't like where that panel was or what it was, I'll delete it. This panel 2 becomes panel 1, which then I need to move and then resize, and then I can add new panels. Click that, and just click and drag and add a new panel, and then again I'll do a resize for each of these. Not very pretty right now, but what you see here is all the data for the 4 panels for this one, and then I can go to the next panel, just delete these, or add some more, go to the next one, reuse these panels. Just need to resize them just to get the data. And this data, if I could bring up the debugger, It also prints out there, so for an easy copy paste into a table that you can eventually paste into this comic data for the image width, height for the main image, number of frames that you can put into this column, and then the data from the log output or the screen display text that you can put in here. And once that's done, you have your comic book. You can just do the swipes left and right, and there you go. Check out the marketplace for more templates from Game Team 1, GameSalad. There we go.